All right, guys, it is day 3 of the 2020 Perfect Product Vision series, and it's been amazing so far. Thank you all for the comments, for sharing, and for engaging with the series. We're getting some amazing feedback, and it's right now time to go over your questions from video 2, which was differentiation. Remember, differentiation is like 50% of your success going into 2020. It's one of my favorite videos, and it's awesome, and Adam has some great comments there too, so definitely check that out if you haven't yet. But let's jump into the questions, and remember, stay till the end because we're going to be giving away the prizes for all of your sharing and engaging that you've done so far. And just a quick comment there that when you share and engage, remember to add a comment on the landing page and check that box that says share on Facebook. That automatically gets you into the drawing, not only for the daily prizes, but also for the main lifetime free Zonguru account that we're giving away at the end. So, Darren, let's jump into the questions from video 2.
Cool, let's do it. Question number 1 comes from Lucy. She asks, once you reach the end of your limits for Keywords on Fire, do you have to upgrade to the next plan? And the answer is you can do that if you'd like, but if you just want access to more Keywords on Fire sessions or sessions for any of our other tools, we've just built out the brand new add-on functionality, which allows you to custom fit your Zonguru plan to your business needs. So all you need to do is go to connect, then subscription, update your subscription. You're going to see the ability to select and deselect certain packages, certain tools, or just upgrade to the next plan. This is a great option, if you're on the starter plan and you want to try out Email Automator, or you're on the starter plan and you want more access to Keywords on Fire sessions. There's all sorts of applications to it, and it's going to be really personal to you and your business needs. So check it out. The add-on functionality is awesome.
Yeah, you guys asked, we listened, and the flexibility is all there. So just jump in there. The add-on function is getting great feedback. So that's that. Let's jump into question number 2. Question number 2, which is from Russ, and he asked a question again around the percentage clicks and conversions. And essentially, Russ, what you're asking is, if there's a lower percentage for the top 3 clicks and conversions, does that mean that there's a bigger opportunity and an easier opportunity to get onto page 1 and compete for those clicks and shares? And the answer is yes, you're spot on. The lower that number, it means that the spread is probably more even after the top 3 competitors, and that means that you can get in there and actually dominate some of those shares. So it doesn't mean it's not something worth going after if just the top 3 have most of those clicks and shares, but that's one piece of data that you should assess across everything else before you jump into a category. So great question there, Russ.
Question number 3 comes from Damon, and this is actually 2 separate questions, so we get a bonus question. He asks, if the BSR is oscillating wildly from month to month for different products, is that normal? And there's no real clear-cut answer to this question. It's very dependent on the seller and the niche and how the different competitors in that category are moving and shifting around. Typically, when you see those big swings in BSR, though, it's representative of a newer seller, somebody that Amazon is testing out and trying to understand the consistency for. But also, you could see wild swings in BSR for a number of other reasons, too. Account suspensions, new competitors entering the space and shifting the existing sellers, or a seller running out of stock. These are all different reasons, but there's a lot more that could go into BSR fluctuating. Those are just a few, though. And then his second question was all about when to start using love-hate. And really the answer is as soon as possible. Once you have a category in mind and you want to better understand it, use those sessions. You have, depending on the plan, you have a bunch of love-hate sessions that you can use. So use it frequently because it's going to give you just that much more data coming in for you to better make a decision coming out. Really the short answer is there's no right time to use love-hate. Probably earlier the better.
Yeah, use that in product research for sure. And David, by the way, thank you for all of your comments and sharing. You've done a great job. We've been following you. You really are engaged, and we appreciate that. Let's jump on to question number 4 of many from you guys, and that's from Sean. And Sean is basically asking if we're getting a great niche score using our niche radar, but the top seller is an Amazon, is Amazon. Should I avoid that category? And the answer is no. I think one, you can uncheck that Amazon seller and see what the niche score gives you back, and I'm sure it'll probably be still a great rating. But just because Amazon competes in that category doesn't necessarily mean that you shouldn't be entering it. And again, that's the idea of how can the data looks good, but how can I provide a better product that's differentiated. And even if you can do it better than Amazon, you're still going to get the clicks and conversions, and they're going to support you in that. So don't be deterred by them. And in fact, sometimes having a little bit of Amazon involved in that niche that you're looking at is a good thing, because it makes it harder, or other competitors might shy away from it, which will just give you an opportunity. So don't be deterred by that. It is definitely worth looking at deeper if the score is great.
Yeah, and just a point on that too, as you guys just learned in video 2 about differentiation, there's so much that can go into creating an amazing product, an amazing brand experience, and having the ability to have that really hands-on approach and knowledge and ability to really mold your product, is something that you're going to have that will set you apart from Amazon, which probably doesn't have the attention to be able to deliver that level of detail. So yeah, like John said, don't worry too much about it. It's just something, again, to just think about as you come up with your ideas.
Guys, amazing. So we're going into video 3 today, and that's all about listing optimization and how you can get the most traffic and conversions to your listing and just see it absolutely scale. So a really great video to do today. It's technical, but you've got to get in there. You've got to do this before you launch your product. It's going to be the success of your business. So definitely watch today. And again, guys, if you want to enter for the daily prizes and for the main prize of the free Zonguru subscription, make sure you share, comment, ask questions. Make sure that you check that box when you're sharing your comment, so that it shares on Facebook, and that'll get you into the drawing for the free lifetime subscription for Zonguru. But let's get into our prize winners for today.
Starting with the first prize, which is the Amazon gift card for $25, we have Keyshawn. Keyshawn, thank you very much for your participation, and we'll be reaching out to you for that Amazon gift card. Prize number 2, this one is for a private consultation with either John or myself. This one goes to Rosalie. Thank you so much for your participation. We'll be reaching out to you for the scheduling of that consultation.
Yeah, we'd love to jump in with you. That's going to be great as you get into 2020. So excited for that.
And the last prize, you're going to like this guy's name. This is for the hot product list. We have 2 winners. This guy's name is Jonathan Jono.
There you go.
And so fresh hot product list is coming your way, as well as Renee Jenkins. So thank you guys so much. We'll be reaching out to you to make sure that you get those prizes. And I just want to also say it's been so fun reading these comments, reading your guys' feedback. It seems like it's been really helpful, really positive just across the board. So puts a big smile on our faces, and we're really, really excited to finish strong with video 3. Like John said, this one's technical, but it is absolutely critical to have a firm understanding of. So make sure to watch, make sure to take some notes, and drop us a line if you have any questions.
Absolutely, guys. And Jonathan Jono, I'll put another entry in just for that name for the drawing for tomorrow. So guys, thanks very much, and we'll see you on the other side of video 3.